Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review video, I'd like to show you how you can use ChatGPT to set up an email campaign within minutes to use with your LeadsLeap list builder and autoresponder. And a bit later on the video, the campaign I'm going to use is going to be for the SendSteed list builder. And if you're not familiar with SendSteed, this is SendSteed here. It's the list builder and autoresponder that is used within the LeadsLeap platform. It's built into the LeadsLeap platform and it can be forever free. Also, a bit later on the video, I want to show you how we can use these email campaigns to promote LeadsLeap as a free member and start to earn commissions. So you'll see here, LeadsLeap so far, I've earned $687. I'm live in my account here. I've earned $686 total earnings promoting LeadsLeap. So I want to show you how you can also do that. You start out with the free membership, but I want to teach you how to get to pro membership, and that way, with these commissions as a free member, you'd earn 25% recurring commissions, but as a pro member, you'd earn 50% monthly recurring commissions. And a bit later on the video, I'm also going to give you a free video success training course so you can get the best out of your LeadsLeap tools and learn how to use them successfully and get the best results from them. I'm also going to give you a free done for you funnel that you can use to promote LeadsLeap that's going to help you get some referrals and get to pro membership, and some free traffic free traffic sources that you can use to promote that funnel. So let's just have a look at ChatGPT. It's free to use. Just go into Google and type in ChatGPT, and all you do, it's this window down here where it says send a message. This is where you put your it's called a prompt. It's where you put your prompt. And when you put a prompt in here, I've done this previously just to save time, but when you put a prompt in here, so the prompt I put in there was write me 7 email subject lines to promote SendSteed list builder. So you put your prompt into here, and then you just press enter over here, send a message, and then it created, literally within seconds, it created these 7 email subject lines for me to promote the SendSteed list builder. Now, by promoting the list builder and giving away a free list builder, if any of your referrals upgrade to pro, you earn monthly recurring commissions. And then what I did, I went to the next stage and I wrote in the prompt, write me 7 emails to promote SendSteed list builder. So email marketing and writing emails is one of the hardest things for new people to do. So you've got a tool here that you can use for free, and you can create campaigns literally within minutes. Now you'll see here it gave me email 1. It even gave me another subject line. You can use either the ones that you got from your first prompt. And then it gave me email 2, email 3. So it's given me 7 emails that you can either you can send out using the list builder as a broadcast. You can send out, and everything's in here that you could. Can you use these as is? Can you use them as they are now? Yes, you can. But what I also did, just to add a finer touch and really give away some more features and benefits of the SendSteed list builder, I then prompted, write me 7 features of SendSteed list builder. And these are really good features of the product that you can use one a day. So you can just copy and paste these, and then you can put those into the emails. It gives you all the best features. And this is literally just took minutes. So It gives you all the features, so you can just copy and paste these features. So it talks about split testing, it talks about analytics, how you can track the open rates. It's really great information on SendSteed List Builder that you can use. It talks about the pop-up, um, some great, all the best features. It's actually drawn out um, from the internet on here. So just by putting in three prompts into here, I've now got subject line, I've now got 7 emails, and I've now got 7 features, really the best features of SendSteed that I can now just copy and paste and just put those anywhere into these emails here. Now the next thing we want to do is where we're going to give you this video training course. Because even though within LeadsLeap you've got some side-by-side tutorials, they are written words and graphics. And I like to learn by video, so we created this LeadsLeap video training course. And then all you do is you click the link in the description, and we're going to give you this training course for free. And all you do is you go into List Manager, and it will teach you how to put those ChatGPT prompts into your list manager, and how to connect a page. So maybe you might even want to create a landing page or a lead capture page. So everything in here. So when you have a look within LeadsLeap, all these features down the left-hand side, it can be quite overwhelming, the information you get when you first join. So we give you the free video training course that you can use. And this information you just gathered from ChatGPT, you just use your video training course and it will teach you how to put it into SendSteed. Everything's here that you need. Pop-ups, money, page manager, list manager, tracking, all the features within LeadsLeap are here within this video training course. And you'll see some of them are quite detailed, 17 minutes long, 22 minutes long. So it's all step by step. It's perfect for you if you're a beginner and you want to start using your own tools and you want to start building a list and you want to learn how to follow up. And what we also want to give you is a done-for-you funnel so you can promote LeadsLeap. And this is a lead capture page that we give you. And again, if you're a beginner, we don't want you to look at this and look at all this information on here and think, I can't recreate that. Different colors, different text, different fonts, videos. All you do is when you opt in, you'll get taken to this page here. And then you can join LeadsLeap here. You can partner with me. And then you get your video training course here. And then all you do is you copy and paste this code and this code into LeadsLeap, and it will duplicate these pages for you. And all you've got to do is change 2 links. Actually, 1 link, this one here, put your affiliate link into there. So when you promote this page, your prospects will join you and you'll get referrals when you put your affiliate link under here. So it does look like quite a lot of information when you first join. So you've got ChatGPT, you've got List Builder, you've got broadcast, you've got video training, you've got share codes, copy and paste, but it's very, very simple. The key to this is taking your time. You've got to just take your time. Don't rush it. Take your time. So go to the link in the description, opt in here. It'll take you to this page here. You can join LeadsLeap for free here. And then you can get your video training course here. Click in this link and then we'll teach you in the course how to put these share codes. You're just going to copy and paste them into LeadsLeap. Just follow the video course training and we'll teach you step by step how to become successful with this platform. And if you want some traffic to promote your funnel, then I'm going to put my 5 best free traffic sources that I personally use every day This is a blog post that I wrote. I'm going to pin this to the top comment below this video if you want to use, if you want to get some free traffic and you want to start promoting LeadsLeap, and you want to start getting some referrals and earning some referral commissions. And then when you earn some referral commissions, you can then upgrade to Pro, and you can really start to automate your traffic in LeadsLeap. You can automate the autoresponder. You can get a lot of benefits. You can earn 50% recurring commission. There's a lot more you can do. You can stay forever free. It's a great free platform. I started out for free and I used it for free for a long time. And then I started promoting. I got some commissions and I upgraded to Pro. But it can be forever free. And that's one of the beauties of LeadsLeap. But I do recommend joining for free and really starting to use these tools and the traffic to promote any online business. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And please share the video with anybody you know will be interested in making money online. And if you've enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. And if you've got any questions about ChatGPT, LeadsLeap, anything I've covered in today's video, please leave those questions in the comments below and I'll answer all your questions for you. And any comments you've got on today's video, please leave those as well. I'll also put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.